Chemical properties of alcohols. Second type of reaction. Reactions involving cleavage of CO bond. Here, first reaction is reaction with HX or hydrogen halides. HX. Here, the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. In presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, the reaction is taking place. Take one example, CH3, CH2OH plus HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gets converted into alkyl chloride plus H2. This is the reaction. Okay. And the reactivity order of hydrogen halides will be HX is more reactive than HBr, which is more reactive than HCl. And the reactivity order of alcohol is tertiary is more reactive than secondary, which is more reactive than primary. Okay. The reagent used here is called as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is a mixture of anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl. This is called as Lucas reagent. This is an important reagent, and this reagent is used to distinguish between tertiary, secondary and primary alcohols. Okay. Let us explain how it is possible. Normally, alcohols on reaction with Lucas reagent, it is soluble in water, soluble in Lucas reagent. Okay, alcohols are easily soluble in Lucas reagent, whereas their halides obtained will not be soluble, which is immiscible and produce turbidity. Okay, immiscible and produce turbidity in the solution. Produce turbidity in the solution. So, we can distinguish different halides present, different alcohols present can be distinguished by using this Lucas reagent. First is, in the case of tertiary alcohol, what will happen? In case of tertiary alcohol, on reaction with Lucas reagent, the turbidity will be obtained immediately. Okay, the reaction is as follows: CH3, CH3, it's a tertiary alcohol. Okay, on reaction with Lucas reagent, product obtained will be like this: CH3, alkyl, tertiary alkyl halide will be obtained plus H2. This immediately form turbidity. So, the compound will be tertiary alcohol. Okay, turbidity. Next, what will happen in the case of secondary? CH3, CH3, OH. Here what will happen? On reaction with HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, alkyl, secondary alkyl halide will be obtained. Okay, CH3, Cl plus H2. Here the turbidity will be obtained after few minutes. Okay. So this shows that it is a secondary alcohol. The compound will be secondary alcohol. Now what will be in the case of primary? In the case of primary alcohol, in the case of primary alcohol, it will not give turbidity at room temperature. Okay. In the case of tertiary, immediately it gives turbidity in the room temperature, and in the case of secondary, will give only after few minutes. And in the case of primary, CH3, CH2OH plus HCl and hydrous ZnCl2. Okay. form CH3, CH2Cl plus H2O. Okay. At room temperature, this will not give any turbidity. Okay. On heating, it gives turbidity. Okay. So, on heating only, primary compounds give turbidity. Okay. Now, second type of reaction is reaction with phosphorus halides like PCl3 and PCl5. Okay. Reaction with PCl3 and PCl5. Okay. So, take the reaction. First one, CH3, CH2OH on reaction with PCl5. Reaction takes place CH3, CH2Cl plus POCl3. Okay, POCl3 plus HCl. This will be the product in the case of PCl5. Now, alcohol on reaction with PCl3. Reaction is as follows, plus PCl3. Okay, what will happen? 3 CH3 CH2Cl plus H3PO3 H3PO3 will be the byproduct. Okay, this is the second reaction, and third reaction is reaction with SOCl2. Reaction with SOCl2. SOCl2 is called as thionyl chloride. Okay, thionyl chloride. What will happen? CH3CH2Cl, OH, alcohol. On reaction with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, the reaction will take place in the presence of pyridine. Okay, pyridine reaction takes place. Product will be CH3, CH2Cl plus sulfur dioxide and SO2 and HCl. This will be the product. So, these are the different reactions involving cleavage of CO bond, second type of chemical reaction of alcohols. Okay.